Sabadi. Hi everyone, how you doing today? Welcome to Gigi Lao's Kitchen. Today we're making the sauce. Okay, it's Jeow Som. Okay, you can eat with fried chicken, anything. Okay, seafood, and I'll make like soup today. So it's gonna go with that. Okay. All right. I have a chili pepper, garlic, lime, sugar, fish sauce, and chicken flavor. That's all you need. Okay. So yes, I love hot. So I just gonna put a little bit of chili pepper. Okay. It's my little chili pepper. Okay. And then I also love garlic too. So, you know, some people like garlic, some people not. Some people put one, some two or three. But I'm gonna put like handful. All right, handful, like that. Then the most important, you have to make sure that you put the glass or safety glasses before you do this. Okay? If not, when they get in your eye, you big trouble. Okay? Smooch them very good, okay? Hom. Okay. See, you pound it real good until like mushy looking, right? This is perfect texture. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some lime. I'm gonna go ahead and put my chicken flavor first. Okay, put them all in there. Sugar. Any sugar you want, white sugar, brown sugar, palm sugar, whatever you like, okay? Done. Okay, fish sauce. Now do lime juice. I love the sour taste and very hot. You know, the most important about this sauce, you want to use this sauce, you use a lot of garlic, pepper, and lime juice, okay? You can put in the refrigerator, in the container or the jar, and then you can stock them up for a whole week. This one will last me only 2 days. Wow, look at that. Nice and hot. All that chili pepper, the lime, the garlic. It's perfect together. Ooh, เอาไข่ลูกไม่กินน้ำเลยเนาะคือสิแซ่บซีฟู้ดไข่ลูกปิ้งไก่โอ้จืดไก่ Go with everything, guys. Sometimes I pack for vacation. Go to vacation with me. นี่แก้วส้มแล้ว See the chili hot sauce is finished, guys. It's you can eat with fried chicken, seafood, fish, everything. Okay. It's so good, super hot. Yes. 1 to 10, I give 10 plus. Okay? All right.